Hello to all my friends out there. So this is Practical Prepper, and this video is prepping every day. Okay, your prepping is like a garden. If you work on it a little bit each day, it's not going to get out of whack as bad. It still gets out of whack, especially when you start getting a lot of stuff. And when it gets really out of whack, that means it's time to eat it. So I'm going to be eating my stuff I prepped all month this month, but I'm still going to be working on my prepping every single day. So today I bought a few things, and I want to mention what I bought and why. Okay, one of the things that needs to be prepped is toilet paper for a year. So what I usually do is I buy two, but I probably am going to start buying the very big. I'm going to try to figure out how much toilet paper do I need for a year. And then the other thing you really don't want to run out of is laundry detergent. And I will buy that by the year too. I just mentioned these because I bought these two items today. And then the other thing you don't want, if you don't save your bags, you want to have enough bags so your food doesn't get wasted or damaged before you can eat it. Okay, so I bought 2 cans of Vienna sausage. These are good. You know, I made some dinners out of these. They're good to cut up in baked beans too, or to make little biscuits and fry them. I bought 2 jars of peanut butter, and since these are my food now, I buy them at Walmart, $2.12. Also, we started consuming a lot more peanut butter because the dog likes to eat peanut butter. He has a little thing he eats it out of. I bought some soda. That's not totally and completely necessary, but if you buy it cheap, it's going to save money. The other thing I bought nuts. Just because you're prepping, you don't want to be miserable. Prep coconut because you don't want a linoleic acid shortage. And then I started stockpiling chips because if you have a sandwich and a little pile of chips, that's nice. All kinds of chips. Okay, so what I really needed to stockpile today, I went to Aldi's. I bought salami. If you have never tried this stuff, this is good. Also, the dog loves it. And then I find their salami at Aldi's to be really reasonable. I think I paid $2 and something cents for this. And what I really went for is the Aldi cheese. Your cheese really comes in handy, like on this, you know, I made those cheapy soup bowls, and the cheese on top really helps. Or if you make some cheap tacos of some sort, a little cheese or a little cheese on top of your tomato soup. And then I find all these was really reasonable on bacon. And what I do is I cut it in half so I would have 4 portions of bacon, and I eat bacon all the time. Another thing that's good about bacon is you can use the drippings for oil if needs be. And also a couple slices of bacon in your beans with some cornbread, you know, is going to be a lot better for you than no butter or no fat. Also, I put bacon bits on all kinds of things, like I make deviled eggs with bacon bits on top. Fresh bacon bits are the best. Okay, prepping today, prepping every day. Hello to all the new prepper followers, and hello to all my old followers. And oh, and I wanted to mention something. Okay, I had these goals. My first goal was 1 million views, and I had a party, and pretty soon I will have 250,000 views, so I'll have a party. But another goal was 100,000 views per month, and I think this month I had about 77,000 views. That's a lot of views. So if you're new to this channel, I want to ask you, if you have any prepper comments, leave those. Any money saving comments, leave those. Any brainy ideas on dumpster diving, leave those. Any easy, cheap recipes, leave those. Any other channels that have good content, leave those. Oh, I'll mention a couple that I just located. Freaking Frugal, Alaskan Prepper, Cheap RV Living. Those are 3 of my favorites. Okay, you guys, God bless you all.